and welcome to this West Midlands School of Clinical Hypnotherapy revision video. In this video we're going to be talking very briefly about hypnosis and hypnotherapy, two concepts that are frequently confused, especially by the general public. So very quickly, hypnosis. Hypnosis is a state, and we'll go into that in a later video, a state of trance which a person enters usually through focus on an idea, concept, or possibly on a physical space, thus reducing their peripheral awareness and becoming more open to suggestion, more responsive to suggestion. And hypnosis is used in entertainment, as I'm sure you well know. It's also used in law in certain countries in the world, can be used for recovering of memory, not in British courts of law, I would add. Very rare in British courts of law and generally considered a very dubious level of evidence. So that's hypnosis anyway. And of course the third category is in hypnotherapy. Now, hypnotherapy is hypnosis used with an explicit, deliberate, beneficial event. So hypnosis doesn't necessarily get you better. The application of appropriate suggestions, appropriate imagery, appropriate ideas and concepts within hypnosis may get you towards a beneficial outcome, and that's at the point at which it becomes hypnotherapy. So what we do at the West Midlands School of Clinical Hypnotherapy is we teach people not only how to get people into a state of hypnosis, but also the therapeutic underlying ideas, concepts and structures, and the application of these within hypnosis. And the idea is that often hypnosis will move someone on very rapidly if the correct suggestions and correct imagery is applied to that individual. And that does very much apply to the individual. Quite often what we're doing is we're using well-established psychotherapeutic tools, but just adjusting them slightly for the application in hypnosis with the aim that those tools will become more effective in hypnosis. We also have tools that are pretty much just hypnosis tools. Things like direct suggestion are very rarely applied in other therapeutic environments, and direct suggestion is very simple. You have no desire, you will, you can. Very simple, straightforward suggestions that in most therapeutic environments would be considered a little bit too basic, but because a person's open to suggestion in a hypnotic setting, they are likely to have some impact. So that's the difference between hypnosis and hypnotherapy. Hypnosis, the state of hypnosis; hypnotherapy, the application of suggestions, imagery and other forms of tool in order to move someone to a beneficial place or a better place in some way, shape or form. Thank you very much.